html. Grade 1.html. Grade 1.html should not be inside the list or in any folder. It is just outside in the main root directory. Follow the HTML. Add link. Disk slash css slash bootstrap.css. Then follow the body tag. Okay, you will follow a division. Division class equal to container. Under the container class, write ABCD multiple line. Okay, we need to have multiple line, then only you come to know the difference. Okay, then copy the same. Paste after this. Change the class called container float. BR organized in between one or two BR. Run now. Check once. Difference will be there. Container has very good margin from left and margin from right. Container float take almost full width. Some 8 pixel padding is there. Else it take the cover full width. So when we want to display the content in full screen, we'll use the class called container. Else we'll use container float. Hence we'll use the container. Container will cover the certain width. Container float will cover the full width. Okay, clear difference. Come next. To the developer guide again. It says like inside the container or container float, you have to follow the row. But this file will not do anything. Leave this file, create another file. Grid 2. Create next file called grid2.html. Grid2.html. So hope we got the difference, right? Container, flow. Let's go grid 2. Inside the grid 2, till body we can copy from previous file and paste here. Body will close, HTML will close. Also division class equal to container again. Inside the container, you have to follow the row. Class equal to row. Inside the row, we have to follow the columns. So follow a class call LG large string 1 and print call hello. Okay, call LG1, print call hello. Okay, now print one more call LG1. Hello only. Print one more call LG1 and follow itself. All are inside the single row. All are inside the single row and here. Okay. Written hello, hello. How many times? 3 times. Save now. Save one also. All 3 hello should print in one line. You should run in full screen. You should run this page in full screen. You can see all are printing in the same line. So this way, 1, 1, 1 you can print 12 times because we have total 12 columns. We start from 1 and it go till 12. If you want to write 1, 1, 1, you can write 12 times or you can write 12 also together. So we are writing 1, 1, 1 12 times. For LG1, 3 times. I'll copy this 3 and paste again. So it will become again 6 times. 6, 3, 9, 3, 12. Total 12 times you 1, 1, 1 you copy paste. 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12 times. It will cover the full width and all will print in single line. Okay. Vertical. Are you following this file? Check the spelling. You make full screen. Then sir. Look at the link line. You have problem in this line. REL equal to REL, link REL equal to style set. Space HREF equal to dist slash CSS slash bootstrap.css. Double quote is closed. Read again. There is some problem. Where is this file? Where you have saved this file? In Bootstrap or outside? No, I'm asking, look at here. Can you see my system here? I have dist, my boot dist, my icon, then photos, developer guide. Here only I have files. Okay. If your file is somewhere else, then it will work. So hope for everyone, 13 are in 12 are in one line. 12 blocks should be in one line. 12 columns should be in one line. You add one more 13th one and then see where it's going. Add one more hello, 13th one, then see. There, okay, go up. 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖆𝖚𝖌 bootstrap.css. You have not used the row class. And see here, we have followed three division. Container row, inside the row we have followed. We have not used the row. Without row, column will not work. So keep inside the row. Okay, 12, 13th one we added. 13th where it's going. 13th one will go to the. Let me check with this people. 13th line I added, and when we look into the browser, it will go to the new line. Because the reason is only one. 12 column when you write, it covers the full width. What is the width of one column? We can calculate. A row class covers the full width. Whenever we write the row, it covers the full width. So inside the total full width, it is saying total 12 column 1 1. So 100% width divided by total how many columns? 12. You have written 1 1 1 how many times? 12 times. 12. Then you see width is 8.33% for one column. Whenever you write one number, call LG1, call SM1, call XL1, the width will be this much. How much? 8.33%. Now 8.33% is for 1. Into 12 if I do, I should come back to again where? 100%. So because of that, if you add anything else, it will not print in the same line. It will go to the new line. Because each column has taken the, 12 column has taken the 8.33 and it's covered the total full width. When you write any 13th number column, it will go to the new line. Because in the same line, the space is not exist. The space is over. Now write the next row. HR you can follow now. HR open close. Write another division, but inside the container, not out of the container. Within the container, write a division. Class equal to row. Next division, class equal to call icon and the icon 2. So in one row, how many columns? 12 columns. Out of 12, I have consumed 2. I'll write here. This is from 2 columns. From this is from 2 columns. Two, 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 two. You have to write 6 times. Check now. You will see total how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. One more is required. One more is required. Total 6 columns. 2, 4, 6 columns. 6 column is required since we are given the 2. Total is 12. Out of 12, you are consuming 2, 2, 2, 2 how many times? 6 times. So 6 into 2 will be 12. See, 12 is covered the full width. Running or not running? Running. Write the next row. After one HR. Division. Last row division call LG3. This is from 3. 4 times. 3 into 4. Total will be 12. So it would be something like this. Number of columns are correct. You have not written correct. Everything correct. So this row is okay here. This is okay. Click on that. Click on this row. This is small ones. After that, no, that row is not that. This one. This open here. This row here. You want to come down? This is your own close, right? Close one division after this. This row is start. Very good. Close after this. Now come down. So hope you are getting how many columns? 4 columns. Come down. Right below next. HR again. And after this, follow the division. Class equal to again row. Follow the division. On LG 4. Inside the 4, you can write multiple lines so that it should cover the 30% of the screen. It will generate total 3 blocks 4, 4, 4, 12. 4, 4, 4 will become 12. So 1 4 is ready. Copy the same 4, paste it 2 more times. Okay, something like this. Come next. Working for only one person. Write it. Compulsory you should write. Write the message R. College 6 you write. Or maybe write 5. Inside the 5, you add some text. College 5. One more time college 5. 5, 5, 10. And one more time college 5. 15 will happen. 1 will go to the new line. So you have to manage here 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2 as a 12. Should not exceed by 12. If it is more than 12, then it will go to the new line. So 5 by 10 plus 12. Number of columns do not increase by 12. Let us see how it is. 5, 5 plus 2. Total 12. Now write one more HR. Write the next division. Class row. Inside that you will follow 6 and 6 2. All hyphen G hyphen 6. 6. Now go inside the 6. Add to the incident. This text content you can copy and you can paste here. In the first 6 as well as second 6. Link 6 and 6. The class called LG4 later 4 into 3 12. 4 4 4 3 times 12, right? So the next one 6 6 6 ready. Then we have to create one more row for 12. College 12. That will cover the whole bed. Div class equal to row. Div class equal to all hyphen LG hyphen 12 complete. Then you give the multiple lines and see how it will be. It will cover exact full width. from beginning to full will appear. Now full will, right? So we can use these classes and we can make multiple row, multiple columns. Okay, come to the next file. Total 72 classes we have written. So in these 72 classes, now we understood something on 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖗𝖓𝖗. All will work similar, but I'll combine all the classes 72 classes in some other example. After getting some more idea on Bootstrap part. Else in the beginning it will be overload. You will confuse. You will feel it's very difficult. Okay, so come next. Next file you create. Not grade 3. Next file will be called text-align.html. Text-align.html. At least from now, everyone should write and reply on time. Happening, not happening. You are trying, not trying. Go to the previous file and till body you can copy, paste in this file, and write in that, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Then you follow the container div class equal to container div class equal to row. Class container class row. Come inside a division for G12 H1 class equal to text hyphen end right align. Text center line. Text start left line. See now, one will be left, one will be right, one will be center. left, center, and then align. Text hyphen info. Oh, no, it should be danger. Danger. Text hyphen warning. And text hyphen info. These are all the text classes. We are going to make a note. Different color combination. Sky blue, orange, and then red. So when we want to align the text, we can follow text start, text end, and text center. Text start, text end, and text center. When we have learned HTML, that time we have discussed, the block level tag will print in the same line. Within the row and the column. Create 3 columns and put inside all 3 in one column. We created a simple line of 12. What is the width of 12 column? 100%. You are given one right, so that will go to the right side. You are given one center, that will come in middle. You are given one left, that will come in the beginning. It will get spread in the full area, full width. And which tag you have followed? H1. H1 is a block level tag. It will not print in the same line. It will go to the main line. We have to convert it to that. That is the next method. What do you think altogether? In this example, we are learning which one? Text alignment. Correct. Each page was separate. Okay. Once separate, you will understand. Then you can mix it automatically. You want to print in one line? Then follow the class here itself. Call hyphen lg hyphen 4 and call lg 4. Then next 4 and after that next 4. But you will not understand in this where is the line, because one is 4 will be left, next 4 will be the middle, and next 4 will be in the last. Now you tell me in this example, where is the line? Are you finding any alignment? No. This one is the same. You can print easily. Call lg 444. Call lg 444. Why did you say no? See, no, here. You are not agree to understand. Happen. Now tell me which one is left, which one is right, which one is center. Can you find out? No, no. In fact, everywhere is written this is which line? Right. This is which line? Center. This is which line? Left. Confusion happen or not? We wanted to understand what is the meaning of align, right? What is the meaning of align? So for that purpose, I kept where in one row, one column, and after that I given the this one. Left means now let me go for the last one. For last one also I'll write which one? Text hyphen end. Then see where it will come. Going to where? Right side. For this one also I'll write text hyphen and where is going? Is going to where? Right side. Going or not? So how to print in one line, that you have seen in previous example. Previous example was for same purpose. Look at run the grid 2. Okay, keep going. Let me modify this back again to start. Okay, now go here and run the 2. In this, how many times you saw how to print in same line? You saw here how to print. Here also you saw how to print in same line. Here also you saw how to print in the same line. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times you saw how to print in the same line. And in next file also you are asking how to print in the same line. So how to print in the same line, that you seen already. Column, if you put inside a column, automatically it will come in the same line. Next example is to understand how to apply the which one? Align. So align meaning how many type of align? 3 types of align. Start where in the beginning, end where in the last, center where in the beginning. You will feel like this you are written and that look like confusion. No problem. Let's go put this as a start and put this one as a which one? Yeah. And now see, this will be as a what? This will be as a left. This will be as a left. This will be as a right, and middle will be as a center. So how it will print? Print like this. This is in the left, this is in the center, this is in the right. Then you will ask why all are printing the new line. Because H1 is the block level tag. It is the block level tag, it will go to the new line. But we are saying go wherever you want. Go new line, no problem. But print where in the center. Go to the new line, but print where in the right. Go to the new line, print where in the left. Okay, to developer right now. Write the list of classes. Classes for text alignment. Text alignment. Classes for text alignment. The first class we have text hyphen start, text hyphen center, text hyphen end. Start, end, and center. Start, end, and center. This is for the text alignment. Right below classes for text color. Classes for text color. Classes for text color. Text hyphen danger. Red color will come. Red. Text hyphen warning. Blue color will come. Text hyphen info. Sky blue will come. Text hyphen primary. Pure blue will come. Text hyphen which one success. White color it will come. Text hyphen white. So text white success green color will come. Text hyphen white color will come. Text hyphen secondary gray color will come. Text hyphen some dark black color will come. One more is there called text hyphen muted. You have seen the beaten man. Suppose someone has beaten someone, right? So what will be the face structure? Face structure will be like potato. Not understood. I'm saying like suppose one person went somewhere. Group of the people started beating him. Okay, when he is coming back, what will be his mouth structure? What will be the face structure? Muted. He will not speak anything to anywhere. Correct or not? They are not injured, just they are beaten. That is called what? Muted. People is person is muted, is not able to speak anything. Okay. So we have a color called muted color. It's like the disabled color. Okay. It will not be gray, it will not be black, it will not be red, not green. It will put like myself is helpless. Okay. That is called what? Muted color. So that is called disabled color. Disabled color. Okay. You will find no sometimes some text will feel like disabled. Okay, like it is kind of we call it muted color. Okay, come next. Next after that, classes for background color. Those 300 class if I remember from Bootstrap, then you can design it. In that 72 you have remember already. What was that? Call 1 to 12, SM 1 to 12, MD 1 to 12. After that, LG 1 to 12, XL 1 to 12, as well as double XL. Container you can remember, row you can remember, container flow you can remember, right? After that, text start, text end, text center. Next, what you wrote? These colors are easy to remember, no? Text, danger, info, warning, success, primary, correct? White, secondary, dark, muted. Okay? Similar way, we are writing for background color. So for background, you will copy this set and paste here, and change to text. You change to BG, BG danger, BG warning, BG info, BG primary, BG success, BG white is also there, as well as BG secondary is there, BG dark is there, BG muted is not there. It's only a BG light. BG light. You can write here light color. Light color. Okay, so these all are the all TXT text replaced with a BG. All the text replaced with a video. So if you want this many color background, you don't have to write single line of CSS. All are replaced. Okay, written. Next. Next. After that, write the next class called classes for which one? Radius. So we have one called rounded. Place radius. Somewhere close to 5px. Next after that, rounded circle. Rounded circle, 50% radius. 50% radius. Next write classes for shadow. Classes for shadow. One is called only shadow. It will give you medium shadow. Another one is called shadow hyphen SM, light shadow. Next one is shadow hyphen LG, more shadow. All three we have. You don't have to write the shadow manually. And next after that, we need to write the classes for which one? Rounded circle are written. Next, you write classes for margin and padding. Margin and padding. No need to write anywhere BR and HR. There is huge classes for margin padding. You can use that. So when you write M will represent. It is not the class name. M will represent the margin. When you write P, it represents the padding. Next, when you write for T, it represents the top. B represent the bottom. L represent the left. R represent the right. Then written. Now how many combinations you can generate? M for margin, P for padding. MT margin top, MB margin bottom, ML margin left, MR margin right. Similar way PT padding top, PB padding bottom, PB padding left, PR padding right. So this is called classes. Now write below numbers. Numbers. When you write 1 along with the M series, if you write 1, it represents 4 pixel. Or along with P series, if you write 1, it represents the 4 pixel. When you write 2, it will represent the 8 pixel. When you write 3, it will represent the 16 pixel. 16 pixel. When you write 4, it represents the 24 px. 24 px. When you write again 5, it represents 48 px. Now we have to make the combination of M plus top left right bottom plus 1 to 5. Again, we have to make the combination of P plus top left right bottom plus 1 to 5. So when you make a combination of margin of this top left right bottom plus 1 to 5, it will generate total 25 combination. And when you generate the combination for padding, including top left right bottom plus 1 to 5, it will generate total 25 padding. 25 classes for padding, 25 classes for margin. What will be that? We'll write tomorrow. It will be late today. So we'll have 25 classes for margin and 25 classes for padding. 4 pixel to 48 pixel. You don't need to write any extra line of CSS. How much space you want from left? 20 pixel, maybe 24 because the numbers are fixed. When I say MT, MT3, MT-3, what it will generate? MT-3, margin top 3, 16 pixel. MT-3, margin top 16 pixels. Correct? MB-5, margin MB-5, margin bottom how much? 48. 48, correct? So those classes we are not reading there. Where in the Bootstrap file? Through shortcut, you are remembering 50 classes. Understood? No? Yes, how much you can write, correct? So through shortcut method, you are remembering the 50 classes for margin and 50 classes for padding. In 1 minute, you will remember. Once you write, you will remember. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Monday. Monday. Okay. Sir, there is one bigger reason. Which one? Bigger reason. Bigger. The bigger. In your page. When error will come, you will not speak.